Hey, hello everyone. So now we are going to discuss about the type conversions in C sharp. So type conversion means data type conversion, one type of data to other type of data. So there are four ways in C sharp. The first one is the implicit conversion, which is used to convert lower numerical data type to higher numerical data type only. Implicit conversion or automatic conversion, it can be called. Okay, so here implicit conversion is used to convert numeric data type only. Numeric data type only. And that too, it is used to convert lower type to higher. Lower data type. Lower numeric type to higher numeric type. Lower numeric type to higher numeric type only. Okay, then we'll discuss about this conversion now. Implicit conversion. Now, I will declare a variable int a. So, okay, let us start with the starting numeric type, which is s byte, signed byte. Already we have discussed about all the data types, inbuilt data types in C sharp. If you are not aware, just go through the previous videos, okay? And then here. So I'm declaring the variable a with the s byte data type, and I wanted to store a value. I can store only minus 128 to 127. We know that. Okay, I will store some number which is okay, one like 14. Yes, it is possible. I can store 114 because I can store up to 127. Now I will print the data which is stored in the variable a. So console dot write line, I'll print the data which is stored in the a by using get type. Okay, then what I will do, I will store this s byte data in another variable which is declared with the int. I am declaring a variable b with the int type, and I wanted to store a value in b variable, but already the data is stored in the variable. The type of the variable is byte. Now s byte data type is converted into int type here. This is what implicit conversion. Now after this, I'll print the data type which is stored in the b variable, and after that console dot read to keep the command prompt in waiting state. Now with this, execute the program. Wait a minute. We can see the output. Program is in run. Now you observe the data which is stored in the a variable is byte. The data which is stored in the b variable is int 32. So this is what implicit conversion. Automatic conversion can also be called. So now already I said implicit conversion is only applied for numeric types, that is considering from s byte to decimal, lower to higher only. What we can convert? Now see the table here. Byte data type can be converted to short, int, long, float, double. Short can be converted to int, long, float, double. Int can be converted to long, float, double. Long can be converted to float, double. Float can be converted to double. Double cannot be converted to any other type. Decimal cannot be converted to any other type in implicit. So just to go through this one. So now come to the Visual Studio. So already I created a project with the name data types. In this, I created one more file in conjunction with the program.cs. The C sharp file name is the type conversion. That's why I got the class name like this. You can create the same. And in the main method, I wrote this. So I can also execute the same thing. Now, the thing. So here the thing is, S byte data type can be converted to higher. Yes, we can convert to higher level type. So already we did it. But so after S byte, we studied the byte data type. Can this S byte type can be converted to byte? So in byte, can we store 114 or not? What is the range of the byte data type 0 to 255? So probably we can store this 114 in the B variable, but you observe there is a red color underline in the 12th line. You observe this 12th line, there is a red color underline which showing some error. We want to observe the error. So syntax error or error. Just place your cursor over that red color underline. Now you can able to read some message which is displayed. What is error message? Cannot implicitly convert type S byte to byte. An explicit conversion exists. For this, an explicit conversion should be used. Internally, implicitly, you cannot convert S byte to byte. Why? What is the reason behind it? Because byte data type can store only positive, but S byte data type can store negative values also. Now you observe, I can store -114 in S byte, but the same cannot be stored in the byte type because byte data type will store only positive values from 0 to 255. That's why the conversion is not possible because byte can store only positive, but S byte can store negative also. Then what are the other data types which can store negative values also? Then short. Yes, short data type can store negative values. Int can also store negative values. Long. Yes, long data type can also store negative values. Float can also store negative. Decimal can also store negative. Yes, there is no error. And then you can use double also. Right. So that's why you can convert this S byte to the specified types. Short, int, long, float, double, decimal also. Okay. And then after this, next coming to the byte. So here byte data type cannot show negative values. That's why it is showing error. So remove this. So then what is the maximum value that we can store? 215. If we want to store 256, it is showing error. So I can store up to 2. Now I can convert this byte data type to S byte. Now let us declare the variable b with the S byte. Now yes, it is showing you error because implicit conversion can be used only to convert lower type to higher type. So but we are doing in a reverse way. So which is not possible. Now an error message, you can able to read it. So cannot implicitly convert type byte to S byte type, right? So and then can I convert it into int type? Yes, you can convert. Uint type is possible? Yes, it is because in uint, unsigned int, you can store positive as well as negative also, right? So in this way, by observing what kind of values we can able to store in the other data type, by keeping that in the mind, you can able to use this implicit type conversion. So implicit type conversion is possible uh, by the compiler automatically for lower type to higher type, right? And then you can convert this byte data type to any other higher level data types rather than S byte. Okay, now what is the next short? So you can convert this short into lower type. Lower type means I'll consider byte, which is not possible. Can you convert it into int? Yes, I can convert. So short is the lower type, int is the higher type. Okay, short. I can store negative values also. int, I can store negative values also. That's why it is supporting. And U sharp, U sharp. So can you convert this to U sharp? It is showing you error because cannot implicitly convert type short to U sharp because first the sequence is like that, short data type, after that U sharp. And then U sharp also unsigned. We cannot store negative numbers in U sharp, but you can store negative numbers in short data type. So this is also one reason, right? So that's why you can use int, yes, int. It is possible to store negative as well as positive. And int is the higher type than short. It is possible. Then can you use uint? Unsigned, because uint means unsigned. It won't allows us to store negative values. That's why implicitly this conversion is not possible. So other than this, you can use float. There is no error. You can use decimal, you can use anything. Now, here the thing. After that, so then short, U short, long, U long, int, U int. Okay, let us consider long. So long, in long, I can store negative values and I can store positive values also. Such a long number can also be stored. Now, here the thing, I want to convert this long into U long. Is it possible? It is not possible. In U long data type, we cannot show negative numbers. That's why it is not supported. Okay, can I use int? Which is not possible because long is the higher type, int is the lower type, which is not possible conversion implicitly. Then what I can use? You can use next, that is float. You can use decimal. You can use double also. Okay, and then coming to the float. In float, I can store a floating point number with the suffix f. Okay. Can I convert this float into double? Yes, it is not showing you any error. Right, float to double. Can I convert it into decimal? No, it is not possible. So cannot implicitly convert type float to decimal. So that's why you see you can convert float to double only. And then can I convert? Okay, what I will do, I will declare the type for the a variable as double. I'll remove this. Okay, and then can I convert it into decimal? Yes, it is not possible. Now you are getting error. Cannot implicitly convert type double to decimal. An explicit conversion is required, right? So then this is about the implicit conversion in C sharp. Now in the next video, we'll discuss about explicit conversion. How to convert one data type to other, that is explicit conversion, that is higher numerical type to lower numerical type in the next video.